Come on.
Linux is an operating system that could be easily installed on older systems, so let's get started. We will use Rufus to create a bootable USB media which we will use to install Linux Mint. Now we will be downloading the actual operating system. Here we are using Linux Mint XFCE as it's both lightweight and stable. After opening Rufus, select the USB drive which you will be using to make the bootable media. Select the ISO file that you downloaded. Change the partition scheme to MBR and click on Start. To enter the BIOS boot menu, restart your PC and press F12 key or del key repeatedly. Select the boot menu from there. Use up and down arrow keys to navigate and select your USB drive. Choose the first option, which will run the operating system off the USB drive. You can try various things out here and check whether everything is working properly. Here the display is showing the wrong resolution, so let us correct that. Okay, now let us go to the installation part. Here we should select our desired keyboard layout. It is recommended to enable the above option to prevent a lot of hassle in the future. Select the first option to install Linux Mint to the hard drive. However, if you want to customize the sizes of the partitions, select the second one. Select the region here to set the date and time zone. Here we will enter credentials such as name, computer name, username and password. And now Linux Mint is being installed to the hard drive. Reboot the operating system to complete the installation. And now Linux Mint is fully installed and ready to use.